Blueberry lemon ricotta pound cake. This healthy pound cake recipe isn't just delicious, it also only requires one bowl to make. For the best cake texture, be sure to beat the sugar and butter together long enough. In step 2, to look creamy, time it takes to get there varies according to the type of electric mixer you have. Serve with brunch or alongside a cup of coffee in the afternoon. Cup granulated sugar. 5 tablespoons unsalted butter at room temperature. 3 large eggs at room temperature, see tip. Cup part-skim ricotta cheese. 2 tablespoons lemon zest. 2 tablespoons lemon juice plus 1 teaspoon divided. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cups white whole wheat flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder. Teaspoon salt. 2 cups fresh blueberries. 2 tablespoons packed confectioners sugar. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F. Coat a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with cooking spray and line the bottom with parchment paper. 2. Beat sugar and butter in a large bowl with an electric mixer on medium-high speed until creamy. Beat in eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated. Reduce the mixer speed to medium-low and beat in ricotta. Lemon zest, 2 tablespoons lemon juice and vanilla until just combine. Sprinkle flour on top, then evenly sprinkle baking powder and salt over the flour. With the mixer on low speed, beat until almost combined. Add blueberries and gently fold into the batter. Transfer to the prepared pan. 3. Bake the cake until starting to brown around the edges. And a tester inserted in the center. Comes out clean, about 1 hour. Let cool in the pan on a wire rack for 20 minutes. Run a knife around the edge to loosen the cake, then invert it onto the rack. Carefully turn it right side up. Let cool completely. 4. Clean the bowl, add confectioner's sugar, and whisk. In the remaining 1 teaspoon lemon juice until smooth. Brush the glaze on the cake. To make a head, wrap cooled cake airtight and store at room temperature for up to 1 day. Glaze shortly before serving. Tip: room temperature eggs make cakes fluffier. Here's a quick trick: place them in the shell in a bowl of lukewarm water for about 5 minutes.